What's going on, everybody? My name is Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. And on this video, I'm going to be replacing the screen in my iPhone 10. The reason why I keep this old iPhone is because it's one of the last ones that's easy to repair. I've already replaced the battery and this is going to be my third time replacing the screen. I break them quite frequently, crawling up under cars and other things. This one I actually broke while I was moving furniture, but I was able to get a screen off of Amazon for $35. And it's really easy to swap these out. That's why I'm keeping this old phone. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through how easy it is to change this screen in this iPhone 10. I've already powered it off. The first step is going to be to remove the two screws from the bottom. After that, I'm going to use the suction cup and the pick to lift up the screen. Now, my screen is easier to remove because, again, I've replaced it several times. So now, open the screen this way, and this plate needs to come off. This is Working with Wimberley, and on this video, I'll quickly show you guys. That's it. It's that simple. So I'm not putting on this seal, which keeps out dust and water. The reason is because it's just going to make the screen more difficult to take off the next time I have to do this, because I know I'm going to have to do it again. Next time I break it, again, I'll be able to pop it off, put a new one on pretty quickly, and just keep on going. Just wanted to do a different video and show that this is super easy if you have an iPhone 10. Literally doesn't take any time at all to swap the screen out and you're good to go. In this instance, for only $35. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.